For centuries, the Mi'kmaq territory has been rich with ceremony and mysterious stories that can still be heard to this day.
This is Gespeg, so the end of the land, land's end. There was an old Mi'kmaq woman that lived here, and she suffered for a long time. Apparently our ancestors called it Suffering Point. Obviously a place of great power here.
But when the Europeans arrived, the Mi'kmaq of Gespeg were among the first to bear the devastating oppression of colonization. What's more, parts of the ancestral land of Gespeg-Awagi was made into a national park in 1970, cutting off the Mi'kmaq people from the most sacred part of their territory.
Park Forillon is beautiful, you know, it's a national park for God's sakes. And it's sacred, but it belongs to Mi'kmaq.
It's been a complicated and hard road, but the people of Gespeg are slowly reclaiming their ancestral territory.
I feel Gespeg-Awagi, all the Gaspésie, is our land.
And we have to occupy it. That's our duty to do so and protect it.